my channel Success Engineering Official. So as you can see, we have done this pipe sizing as well as this heater capacity, heater placing of heater to this ground floor ladies toilet. So we have to do it for this gents toilet ground floor. So what you will do, simply copy this heater from here, place it to this gents toilet. Okay, move this down, move it here. Okay, so you can see here this capacity for this toilet is, you need to check the again capacity. So we have to check this number of fixtures. So 3 laboratories and this supplying to 1 sink. Okay, so you have to check this capacity first from this Excel sheet. Okay, so you can see here this laboratories is 3. Okay, and sink is, kitchen sink is 1. So we need to check GPH for the sink. Okay, so you have to go to this table and you can see here this is the kitchen sink, then GPH is 20 GPH. Okay, so you need to enter here 20. Okay, then you will found it here that at 38 GPM total demand for the hot water is 38. So what you will do, simply change here. Okay, so the probable demand, we need to calculate the heater capacity. So you have to change here this the probable demand is total demand into demand factor. So total demand is 38. So we need to change here 38, and demand factor, you have to look for the demand factor. So I think the demand factor will be the same. Okay, 0.3 and 2. Okay, so 0.3 and 2, because this office building belong to office building. So 0.3 and demand factor is 0.3 and storage capacity factor is 2. So you will get it here. So 0.3 and 2. So you will get here storage capacity is 22.8 kilowatt. Okay, and gallon and 2.2 kilowatt. So we have to go here and simply change here. So this already made block. So what you will do, simply move this. You need to explode it first. Okay, simply select this one and explode it. Okay, and then hot water capacity is 22.8 is nothing but the 23 gallon and 22.3 GPM kilowatt. So 23 gallon here. Double click to edit and change it to 23 gallon, and kilowatt is 2.3 kilowatt. Okay, heating capacity 2.3 kilowatt, and you need to again change into this one, into this block. So Control Shift C, Control Shift V. Okay, and now we have to move this. Use move command and simply move this one to here. Set. Okay, move little bit upside this side. This side. Okay. So this is your heater for this ground floor gents toilet. Okay, now what we will do, we have to do the piping. So simply this water is coming from the roof, this normal water, and it will goes to this, enter to this heater. Okay, connect it here. Double trim this extra line. Okay, and now this normal water is entered to this heater, and from this heater it will distribute to each toilet. Each fixtures, lavatories and sink. Okay, so you have to select this one and change this layer to current layer. Okay, and now what you will do, simply draw line like this way. Okay, and this go to this sink. Okay, go this side like this, and you need to go up to this sink. Okay, so this pipe is going to this side, and now for this lavatories we have to draw one pipe here parallel to this one, and what you will do, simply draw like this. Okay, and connect it here. You can connect it here. Okay, and simply trim this extra line. Use trim command, trim it. Now we have to place this tab, hot water tab. So copy this tabs from here. Okay, and simply place it here in this each fixtures. Okay, hot water tab you should place it here. Okay, and then you have to place also here in the sink. Go to this sink and place it here, and simply rotate this. Use rotate command and rotate this. Okay, now move this one to here. Okay, now we have to connect this all these mixtures, all these tabs to this main line, hot water main line. Okay, simply connect this one. Now you can use this fillet command here. Fillet type F, enter radius is 0, select first line, then second line. Okay, now we have to connect this also. So use this polyline, again connect to this pipe here. Okay, again use fillet command, radius is 0, this first line, second line, and now connect this also. All these tabs should be connected to this main line, or total line. Okay, connect here, also connect this tab here. Okay, so you can see this pipe is already connected. So what you will do now, you have to do this, calculate this pipe sizing. So what you will do, you have to calculate the pipe size. So the pipe sizing, you have to copy this, place it here, place it here. Like this. Okay, okay. Draw one line just to write this pipe size like this. Use match property and simply select this source object and match this destination object, and copy this one. Copy this text, place it here. Okay, in this case we have to write it here, what will be the pipe size here. So for the pipe size, again we need to go to this Excel sheet. So 3 laboratories and 1 sink, we have to look for the 3 laboratories and 1 sink. So laboratories are 3 here, okay, and sink are 1. Okay, so total fixture unit is 7.5 GPM. So for the 7.5 GPM, you have to go to this IPC International Plumbing Code. Look for this for 7.5 fixture unit. Look for the GPM demand. Okay, so here 7.5 is not available, so we need to take the 8. So 8 available, maximum 1. So here is 8. You have to delete this, the previous one which I had explained already. So here is water supply fixture unit is 8 and the demand is 12.8 GPM. Now look for this for the kitchen sink. You have to verify here the fixture unit in hot water. Okay, so kitchen sink is here, private, hotel, restaurant, private 1. The hotel and restaurant is 3, so take it 3 only. Okay, go for the maximum, always go for the maximum higher side to be in safe side. Okay, so this is 3 also, so no problem, no need, nothing will change. So 7.8 only fixture unit, so 8 fixture unit. Demand is 12.8 GPM, gallon per minute. So for 12.8 GPM we have to look for the pipe size. Go to this table point here, figure E1 at 3.3. Simply move this line to 10.8 GPM. Velocity will be same, and this line will move it here. So this is near to 1 inch. 1 and 1/4. This line is near to this 1 and 1/4 line. So your pipe size will be 1 and 1/4. Okay, here your pipe size will be 1 and 1/4 inch. Hot water supply. Sorry. Then what will be the pipe size here? What will be the pipe size here? For the 1 sink, the fixture unit is 3. So for the 3 fixture unit, we have to look for the demand. Sorry. For the sink only, this water is supplied to the sink only here. Go to this sink only. So for the sink, we have to look for this GPM. How much is GPM? 3 fixture unit. Okay, so 3 fixture unit GPM is 6.5. Yeah, GPM is 6.5. So for the 6.5, what will be the pipe size? Look it here. Move this line again down. 6.5 is nothing but here. Okay, and the velocity will be same, coinciding here, so it is near to 1 inch. So your hot water pipe size for this kitchen sink is 1 inch. Okay. and pipe size for this here is, take little line command, use mesh property to mesh this select source object and destination object. Now copy this one. So three laboratories. So for the one laboratory is the fixture unit is 1.5. So for the multiply into 3, so 4.5 GPM. So for the 4.5 GPM, 4.5 fixture unit. So 4.5 fixture unit, what will be the GPM? You have to look for the GPM here in this table. Table number 145. 4.5 is nothing but the 5. So delete this first, just to avoid the confusion. 5, we need to take the 5 and the GPM is 9.4. So for the 9.4 GPM, what will be the pipe size here? Remove this up to here, 9.4 GPM, and pipe size is 1 and 1/4. So here your pipe size is 1 and 1/4. Similarly, we have to calculate for this pipe size. This here is 1 inch for each fixtures, and here is 1 1/4. So I think you guys learn the concept for hot water system, hot water pipe sizing. Also, you learn the concept for the how to calculate the hot water pipe size, heater capacity, heater kilowatt, and hot water storage capacity. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye bye. I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you are still not subscribed, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So for the ground floor we have done. So guys, in the next tutorial we have to do it for the first floor, and now the project will be the, after that project will be the completed. Then we have to calculate the one topic is balance only, this pump head calculation for this booster pump calculation. Okay, so please keep with me and keep watching my channel, keep watching my video. Thank you, bye bye.